Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the bushings on the control arm on Volkswagen Golf 4. It's the same on Golf 5, Golf 6. These are the bushings that I'm talking about. One of them is there, and the other one is just there. First we need to remove the whole control arm and then go on the hydraulic press to push them out. First we start by removing the bolts of the ball joint, then we remove the bolts that hold the control arm on the rear. We also need to remove the bolt for the twist rod. We're also gonna remove the nut for the drive shaft so that we can move the wheel hub out in order to remove the control arm. And now we'll take out the control arm. And now we're going to change the bushings with the hydraulic press. First we're going to change the big bushing. In order to change the bushings, we need a ring that's a little bit smaller in diameter than the bushing, and on the bottom we need a ring that's bigger in diameter than the bushing, so that the bushing goes in when we press it when we press to the press. And now we'll start pushing down the bushing. And the bushing is out. Now see the old bushing. We need to clean up on the control arm the white stuff that's on, maybe with the sandpaper, and then put on the new bushing. You also might want to lubricate the bushing a little bit before putting it on so that it goes in easier. And now we do the same on the new bushing. We put a ring as the same diameter as the bushing, and underneath is a ring that's bigger diameter than the bushing. And we start pushing it in. And the bushing is all the way in. Now we start replacing the smaller bushing. First we need to remove it, and we're putting on a socket that's as big as the metal part of the bushing, and we'll start pushing it in until it goes out all the way. the bushing is almost out, but now because it reached the metal plate underneath, we're gonna push it here from the side, and it's out all the way. And now we'll put on the new bushing and start pushing it in. And the bushing is almost in. That's it. That's how you change the two bushings on the controller. Thank you for watching.